Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Ahrefs login problems, subscription and access error. First, confirm you are using the correct Ahrefs login page by typing ahrefs.com directly into your browser address bar. Next, check that your email address is spelled correctly and matches the one used for your Ahrefs subscription. Then, reset your password using the Forgot Password option and set a new strong password you have not used before. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it to clear any stuck login session. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies for ahrefs.com and try signing in again. If the problem continues, open an incognito or private window and attempt to log in from there. Then, disable browser extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, or VPN add-ons that may block the login flow. Next, switch to another browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge to rule out browser-specific issues. After that, restart your internet router or switch to a different network like mobile hotspot to test connectivity. Now, turn off VPN or proxy connections, because they can trigger security blocks or unusual activity warnings. Then, check your device date and time settings, because incorrect time can break secure authentication. Next, verify your email inbox for Ahrefs security emails and complete any required verification steps. After that, search your spam and promotions folders for Ahrefs messages in case they were filtered. Now, if you use two-factor authentication, make sure your authenticator code is correct and your device time is synced. Then, try logging in from a different device to confirm whether the issue is device-specific. Next, confirm your Ahrefs plan is active by checking your billing email receipts or your payment method status. After that, update your payment method if your card expired, was replaced, or your bank declined the charge. Now, check whether you are trying to access a feature not included in your plan, which can appear as an access error. Then, if you are on a team plan, ask the account owner to confirm you are added to the correct workspace. Next, ensure you are not exceeding user seats, because full seats can block new member access. After that, sign out of all Ahrefs sessions if the option is available, and then sign in again. Now, if you see a too many attempts message, wait 15 to 30 minutes before trying again. Then, avoid password managers autofilling the wrong credentials by manually typing your login details once. Next, confirm your company firewall or antivirus is not blocking Ahrefs by testing on a personal network. After that, check Ahrefs status page or their official social channels to see if there is a service outage. Now, collect key details like your account email, error message screenshot, and the time the issue started. Then, contact Ahrefs support through their help center and include those details for faster resolution. Next, follow the support instructions carefully and retest login after each change they recommend. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.